Hey there, Nicole here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to quickly sign up for the amazing 7-day free trial that you can get with Semrush, the platform. Now, if you're not sure what Semrush is, this is basically a platform that can help you, the business owner, keep an eye on things like SEO, PPC, you can even do keyword research, you can keep an eye on your competitors and see what their organic and paid strategies are. And there are also some new tools such as to help you write content, to give you blog article ideas, blog analysis, and really even campaign management and marketing insights. So let's jump into how to get this free trial so that you can yourself take a sneak peek into the amazing wheelhouse that this platform is. So go ahead and click the link below this video and that will take you straight to this page to go ahead and sign up for your free trial. Once you get on page, you'll go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Start Your Free Trial. Now that we're at the Create Your Account step, you can go ahead and either sign in with Google or go ahead and create a new account. So in this scenario, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. Now for your password, the recommendation is at least 8 characters. You have both a lower and an uppercase letter, and that you have at least one numeric character. So as you begin typing, you will see that there will be a little bar underneath that will tell us the strength of our password, and mine is strong. So I'll go ahead and click Create Account. And now the next step, we need to actually confirm our email. So again, make sure that when you are inputting an email address that this is valid and you have access to it. I'll go ahead and jump to my email, and it's going to be Semrush account activation code. So I'll click in, and then I'll go ahead and verify my email address here and confirm email. Now we just need to answer a few questions. Depending on when you do sign up for your free trial, these questions might differ slightly. So why did you come to Semrush today? I'm going to put work. What is your experience with marketing tasks? I'll say I performed a wide range of them. What are the key focuses of your role? SEO, PPC. Continue. How long have you been working with SEO? We'll say more than 5 years. Like many other free trials with different platforms, we need to actually choose a plan that we want to roll into once our free trial has expired. So take a look at the different options between Pro and Guru and go ahead and choose which one suits your needs the best. And then you'll hit Get Free Trial. In the payment step, you'll actually need to input credit card details. So I've went ahead and entered mine, credit card number, expiry, and CV code, as well as the name on the card. If you do have an ABN or whatever business corporate number, you want to go ahead and enter it there. And just to reiterate, today's charge will be $0, so it's just putting your card in order to get the trial. And in the fine print here, it says my first charge will be on May 18th, 2023. So that's after my 7-day trial ends. Okay, so just verify that everything looks right to you and hit Try It Now. And that's it. So your trial has now been activated. Just to note, it says your credit card has been validated with a $1 reversible transaction, which really basically just validates that your card is active and it can be charged. And we can either set up a free training session. So you can go ahead and click this link here if you'd like to set up a one-on-one session with one of the Semrush team. So I've go ahead and open this in a second tab. So it'll look something like this. You'll put your name, company size, and then an Semrush team member will actually reach out to you via email to really chat with you about what you're looking for and set up a time that works the best for you. And there's also the knowledge base. So you can go ahead and click into this as well, which will give you all of the trainings and all of the resources and pretty much more information than you could ever need about Semrush. Now that your Semrush trial is ready to go, I'll go ahead and in the next video show you how to set up your project for the first time. Again, the link is in the description of this video on how to access the free trial, and I hope that you take advantage of this amazing offering from Semrush. If you have any questions about signing up for your free trial, go ahead and ask down in the comments below.